Okay, so synthetic division is basically a way to check if something is an x-intercept. Okay, it's basically checking to see if something is an x-intercept. So here's a way of phrasing this question. Okay, so if they can tell you basically they can phrase it like this: divide this by that using synthetic division, or they can also phrase it, okay, is x equals to 3, or how about this, is 3 0, okay, an x-intercept of the polynomial 2x cubed minus 3x squared minus 5x minus 12, okay? You can also phrase it that way, all right? And obviously, I got this polynomial from here, and the x minus 3 is the x-intercept of 3 comma 0, because if you set this parentheses equals to 0 and solve for it, dot 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 x equals to 3. Okay, so hopefully you guys see the linkage, okay, the link between these green highlights. Okay, so synthetic division is basically, they might phrase it as divide this by that, but really where it's relevant and important is giving you the x-intercepts. Okay, so here, let's go ahead and set that up here. Okay, if this, so I'm going to put a 3 here. I'm going to do this quick because we've done this before. Okay, negative 12, I get 2, 6, 3, 9, 4, 12, 0. If you get a remainder of 0, okay, if your remainder is 0, remainder is 0, it is an x-intercept, okay? So the answer is 3, 0 is an x-intercept, okay? All right? So you're basically confirming whether or not something is an x-intercept, okay? So if this said x plus 3, then this would have been a negative 3, okay? If this said a x plus 4, this would be a negative 4. So whatever sign this is, it's always the opposite that goes inside that box, okay? Now I want to talk about, and by the way, if this were, let's say this said, let me do it in green here. Okay, if this said 2x plus 1, and if you were to solve for x after setting this equal to 0, you would get negative 1/2. So then this would be negative 1/2 in that case. All right. Now, by the way, they ordered this polynomial in standard form, meaning the exponents, okay, are from largest to smallest. Okay, if you look at these exponents right here, 3, okay, 3, 2, invisible 1, 0. That's in order. Sometimes they put these out of order. Okay, they do not put these in order just to catch you tripping, just to trip you up. Okay, it's like if you're a cartoon character, they put a banana peel in front of you. Okay, don't slip. Okay, don't be caught slipping on this. So make sure to arrange these in standard form with greatest to least from left to right of exponents. Okay, last thing, sometimes you need a placeholder. Okay, let's say for example the problem looked like this. Okay, let's say the problem looked like this. What if problem look like? Okay, let's go ahead. Hey, let's do this. Let's get rid of this guy, and let's put it out of order. Okay. So then, what you would do, okay, is first of all arrange it in order. Okay. So if you arrange it in order, you would get basically this. Okay, without the negative 5x. Okay. So I arranged it in order, and you got to put a placeholder. Okay, plus 0x. Okay, so that's key. Look at that placeholder of 0x right there. Okay, that's a placeholder. Let me put that in red. Okay, because you have to have the exponents from largest to smallest, 3, 2, 1, 0. You can't be skipping 3, 2, and then jump to 0 when you do synthetic division. So now you would have this, negative 3. Okay, I am tripping out. I meant positive 3. Okay, I hope I did do positive 3. I changed it to negative 3 later on. Okay, so is 3 0 an x-intercept? Okay, so you do 3. Okay, 2, negative 3, 0, negative 12. Okay, and you bring down the 2, 6, 3, 9, 9, 27, and whatever the heck that is, 15. Okay, this is not 0. Okay, it is not 0, so 3, 0 is not an x-intercept. Okay, is not. Okay, all right, folks, I want you guys to go ahead and do the problems I'm going to show you right over here.